Today's the day that we attempt to remove red from our hair. Dun dun dun! Today I am going to be trying out Color Oops for the first time. I did go ahead and pick up a 2-pack from Amazon. It claims to condition during the process to protect fragile hair. Those are the magic words because my hair is bleached, processed, colored, and damaged. We are attempting to regrow in 2023, so I don't really want to keep adding bleach to remove hair color. So we're gonna try this out. I'm not that worried about it turning orange because I do plan on just going back to a more natural brown color. It does also say that you can recolor on the same day. I am just gonna go ahead and wait to re-dye because the Color Oops is our main focus today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it does come just like your regular box dye with the 2 bottles that you have to mix together. It does also have instructions in here and some gloves. As you can see, it is already fading. I've had this color in for about a month. I would say 5 washes. I only wash my hair like once a week, because honestly, who has the time to wash it every day? Definitely not me. I've heard hairstylists say that red is the hardest color to actually get out of your hair, but we're gonna try because I don't really want my hair color to fade red when I go in with brown. And also if I decide to remove the brown color to get blonde on the bottom, then it'll be easier, because it would be only 1 layer of brown dye and not a layer of brown dye in addition to a layer of red dye. It's kind of watery. Once it's mixed together, it's more like a gel-like consistency. It does also come with a hair cap to apply afterwards to let it process. Here are the gloves. Today is gonna be a Sunday glow up kind of day. I also want to laminate my brows. Just cutting off the top. Ooh. Okay, so then I just kind of try to spread it out. Making sure it's all saturated. All right, moving on. I'm just gonna keep brushing each strand out as I go because I wanna make sure that all of this color gets removed. I think that the red came out a very beautiful color. I mixed it with the color conditioner Copper and a little bit of their Mocha Brown, and it also faded really nicely. I did have extra hair color that I could have used in the shower just to keep it from fading. The only reason that I didn't is because I knew that the red really wasn't me, and I just wasn't loving it as much as I wanted to. I just kept it in to give y'all a time frame on how it faded and what it looked like once it faded. But if you wanted to keep that color in longer, I would suggest just doing a treatment every 4 washes, because that's really when I started noticing the fading. Or when you notice the fading, just do a quick treatment with the conditioner. We're gonna move on to this side. I did mostly just focus it on where my color was deposited. I'm not going all the way up to the root because there is no hair color there, so that would just be a waste of product. feel like we're fully saturated. We can move on to the next section. I'm just going to tie this up. I'm trying to catch it, but I'm making a huge mess. I hope this color oops doesn't ruin these PJs because they're one of my favorite pairs. Last section. This could also work if you get highlights and maybe they made them darker than you wanted. My hair is fully saturated and I do have a little bit left in the bottle, so I'm just gonna take the bottom part down and add a little bit more down there because I feel like I was a little bit reserved with it down here. Even though it does look fully saturated, I'm just gonna use all the product that I have because why waste it? The more the merrier. I'm just gonna flip it over too and get the underneath part. I do wear my hair in a side part, so I wanna make sure that if I'm side parting it, the underneath is looking good too. Use the rest of it all over. I'm just gonna clip either side up like this. We'll set a 20-minute timer and then I'll come back and check in. It's been 20 minutes. I was just looking at it in the bathroom with Josh and it does kind of look like this color is already coming out. I kind of want to leave it a little bit longer just to see if it gets out more, but it does look like it's working, which is promising. So I'm just gonna probably end up sitting in it for an hour. I've already done 20 minutes, so we're gonna add 40 minutes on the timer. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at those results. I'm actually shocked that it took out all the red in one sitting. I'm definitely happy that I left it in longer than the instructions said, because I think that's really what helped it lift. I'm very impressed and very excited that all that red is gone. I'm not gonna lie though, I did end up washing it with a mixture of my blue Fanola No Orange shampoo, my favorite blue shampoo, and some of the Madison Reed bonding shampoo, just to get some health back to my hair, because when I did rinse it out, it did kind of feel dry. So I added that, and then after I did that with the blue shampoo, I added this Madison Reed Color Therapy Color Depositing Hair Mask. This one is in the color Perla. I added it just like I would a conditioner and let it sit in the shower for about 5 minutes. They do have other colorways of this too, a red, a brown, a blonde, I want to say, and even a clear, which it did add a lot of moisture, and my hair is feeling nice and healthy, which I really appreciate. I hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time with me and experimenting with a new hair product. I had so much fun. This is just part one of my hair glow up, so be sure to subscribe if you like hair DIY content as well as chill vlogs. I've been doing a lot of like beauty experiments in my vlogs. Last week I tried out the contour self tan hack that went viral on TikTok, and then the week before that we tried out a DIY spray tan with the machine that I bought on Amazon. So we have a lot of fun around here. I do also share lots of Amazon and Walmart content, which more fashion hauls are coming soon, I promise. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.